4 reasons why your red velvet cake always has brown patches. I know that your red velvet cake tastes super amazing, but why is it that it has an unattractive look? Each time you try to take a picture of it, why does it have brownish patches in between the cake whenever you cut through it? Not to worry, I'm going to quickly tell you 4 things that you have been doing wrongly that has been messing up your red velvet cake batter and results every single time. The third point is the most important and you don't want to miss it for a thing. Too much cocoa powder. I know you want to achieve that mild chocolate flavor typical with red velvet cakes, but you need to keep it simple because a little per batch is just perfect. Anything more than a little is going to ruin your batter entirely because adding too much would automatically give your cake those brown patches you are desperately trying to avoid. Too little red food coloring. If your red food coloring is too little, there is a higher tendency for the color to evaporate while in the oven because of the high heat, leaving you with a cake with just a red top and brown bottom, which is caused by the too little color as well as the high oven temperature. Try to strike a balance every time. Uneven mixing. Resist the urge to undermix or overmix your batter. This makes your batter have an undefined color blend that would reflect after baking. There is nothing to hide. Ensure for every step of the way, whenever you are adding your red velvet color, thoroughly mix it in to have a uniform tone before adding all other ingredients to make sure that your result is going to come out flawless. Oven temperature too high. Did you know the best method of baking red velvet is by slow baking it? It is advised to use 175 degrees centigrade whenever you are baking up your red velvet cake. Yes, it's going to bake for a longer time, but the result is going to be worth the time. Now that you've listened to the 4 points, tell me which one you are guilty of using the comments. And if you like more content as this, do follow for more.